Hi, today we're going to go over Middleby's new one-touch controller. First, we're going to hit the center of the screen to turn the oven on. Before you enter the manager code, you will only be able to change the temperature and the belt speed. To get into options, you hit the gear on the bottom right corner. Enter the code 2222. Once you've entered the manager code, you can now change the belt speed, temperature, and airflow of your oven. On the bottom of the screen, you'll see presets. When in the preset menu, on the top right corner, you'll see a pencil. When you select that, you'll be able to start making your own presets. You can now enter the name, temperature, airflow, and belt speed. Once you've filled in all the options for your preset, click Save. Then you'll be prompted to add it to a group and pick a picture. Once you're done creating your preset, you can now select it under Select Preset. Once you're done with the oven, hit the power button once again, click off, and that's it. Hopefully you'll have a better understanding of the basic controls of your oven.